Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a brand new Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf. So this being the smallest of the surf boats that Sea Ray is currently building, really surprising when you get inside the cockpit of the boat. It feels like it's bigger than a 25-foot boat, which I really like. So wraparound seating up in your front, you will notice it does have a side walk-through coming up to the bow. It allows for a 2/3 width bench seat here facing forward. And by doing that, it ends up giving you a lot more space down below for a head, and cushions go down on top of it, so you can use it as a small berth if you like. Flip-flop backrest on your seat, so when you get to where you're going, drop anchor after the kids get done wake surfing, you've got this big entertainment area back here in the cockpit of the boat. This one was ordered with the twin Simrad screens, which I like. I can use one for my engines, the other one for my nav. Pinch to zoom, touch to drag. It's like having a pair of little iPads on your screen or on your dash, which is great. Power tower, so push button to fold if you got a lower bridge you got to go under, or for storage purposes, just push the button, drop it down, and give yourself the extra clearance. And a really, really large bimini top. This bimini top is probably, I mean, it's approaching probably 12 foot long, so tons of shade for this size boat. So, and this boat is a surf model, so it does have ballast and you can surf with it. So if you have any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.